Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Samsung has just released their new flagship smartphone, Galaxy S22 Ultra, and it's becoming quite popular. If you have decided to get this amazing smartphone, the second most important thing is which color you would like to choose from, as it comes in variety of color options. In this video, I will show you all the color options available for this smartphone and compare them. I will also be making a lot more videos on Galaxy S22 series. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to see all my future videos. Also, you can click over here to see all my unboxing videos. So let's start the video, but before I start, let's start with all the colors Samsung is offering for this amazing smartphone. There is burgundy, phantom black, phantom white and green for the local market. There are some more color options which is only available exclusively for online, but not in the store, like graphite, sky blue and red. So let's start with the first color, burgundy. It reminds me of Galaxy Note 20 Ultra Mystic Bronze color. In fact, the S22 Ultra looks and feels quite similar to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, except for the small difference in the camera cutout. Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection at the back and matte finish makes it looks and feels premium in the hand. It's a new and unique color and definitely looks impressive. Now let's see the second color, phantom black. It's my favorite color not just because of the matte finish, but also it has a dark and rough texture unlike any other color, which makes it more grippy and firm in hands. Also, it's not a jet black color, it's more towards a dark grey tone, which definitely makes it unique and spectacular. Now talking about the white color, it's exactly like the Note 20 Ultra white color and looks good. It's a classic white color you can't go wrong with, but definitely is nothing new. And lastly, the new green color, which is also super impressive, as it's quite dark green and looks stunning. We have seen a similar color in the Galaxy Fold 3 lineup before, but this one is just great. There are 3 more color options available online and I did not get a chance to see them. But kudos to Samsung for giving unique and different colors year after year. That's all for this video guys. Please let me know in the comments below which is your favorite color. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.
We had a future we